People sometimes ask me, they have so many incidents going on, it's kind of overwhelming. How do they decide what to automate? Yeah, I mean, it really comes down to bang for the buck. You want to attack the things that are commonplace first. Those are the ones that reduce the most toil, and there's generally the ones that you understand best because you do it again and again and again. So when I was at AWS, each week I'd make my service teams look at all of the incidents that happened in the prior week and schedule one to be automated away in the next sprint. Just one. But mostly that was about getting bang for the buck. But if you are consistent about that every week, scratching one away over the course of the year, you'll be down about 60%, maybe more. And so that matters a great deal. Now, one thing that's important about that is that the most recent thing that happened isn't a great predictor of the next thing that happened. So you really want to focus on frequency, not recency. That's hard because we all have recency bias. We all go chasing after the last thing that happened. And it's actually a bit more complicated than what I just described. Sometimes you want to automate something because you don't want operators to access customer data on the machines. Sometimes you want to automate something to reduce the chance someone could make a consequential mistake with a manual change. So there are other dimensions to this problem, but mostly it's bang for the buck. Part of what we did with Shoreline is reducing the cost of the cost-benefit equation so that you don't really have to think that hard about it. So SREs are busy. Automation won't happen unless it's easy to do. Most automations in Shoreline can be built in a few hours. Fixing things forever is only about twice the time as fixing it each time. It should and will become a lot easier. I really want it to be same or less time, but it's already an order of magnitude better than the other systems I know. You just need to be disciplined about continuing this process of automation. One thing, every on-call rotation. That's how you improve ability. That's how you reduce toil, for yourself, for your colleagues, and for your customers.